Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want a quick way to share documents, videos, photos, and more between two computers without needing USB drives? Well, sharing files over Wi-Fi is definitely the easiest way to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods to directly transfer files between laptops connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Let's go. Keep in mind that sharing files between computers only works if they're on the same network, and that could be Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. You will also need to make some additional settings to ensure that each computer can access and share files with the others. Keep in mind that of the two methods I suggest, the first involves some technical steps, while the second is a better fit if you're not super tech savvy. To get started, open the Manage Advanced Sharing settings and expand all the sections for Private Networks, Public Networks, and All Networks. Turn on all the options in these settings to enable network discovery for all devices on your network. And leave the password-protected sharing menu disabled to make it easier to access the files you share later. Next, return to the main Network and Internet settings page. Go to Wi-Fi and confirm that your network profile type is set to Private Network. Remember, you need to repeat these settings on every computer you plan to share files with. Once you've set everything up, restart the computers to make sure all the network changes are applied correctly. After the restart, find the folder you want to share or create a new one specifically for sharing so you can drop files into it and share them immediately. Right-click on the folder, open its properties, and head over to the Sharing tab. Click Share. Select Everyone from the drop-down menu and confirm with the Add button. For some extra customization, go to Advanced Sharing. Check the box for Share this folder, and feel free to rename the shared folder if you'd like. You can also limit how many people can access the shared folder simultaneously. Next, head to Permissions. Select the username you set earlier, in this case, Everyone, and allow or deny them full control, change, or read access. Keep in mind that full control gives the highest level of access, letting users do anything with the file or folder, including changing permissions for others. If everything looks good, click OK on all the open windows to save your changes. After you've shared the folder, other computers on the network will be able to see it right away when they open the computer directory from the Network section in File Explorer. If you think the first method seems a little too techy for your taste, no worries. I've got a simpler alternative. What I really like about this tool is that it makes file sharing so much easier without having to go through so many steps or set up complicated settings. To try it out, click my link below to download the software and get free file sharing of up to 500 gigabytes when you register. Once the software is installed on both computers, go to the More Tools tab. Use the File Sharing tool and click the Start button on each device to begin connecting. From the computer you want to send files from, simply select the other computer when it pops up on your radar screen. Then choose all the files you want to share and let the transfer begin. Meanwhile, on the receiving computer, you can check the transfer status under the Receive list. Once the files are successfully transferred, you can click the folder icon next to each file to view it in the folder where it's stored. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.